we're still here in Shanghai. It's our second day actually. I'm having a breakfast now because our call time is 8:30 a.m. Actually, I woke up early, like 5:30, but I slept again and just woke up at 6:30. Today, we're going to a lot of places because yesterday, maulan po siya dito. But now, as I see from the window, hindi maulan ngayon at totally pleasant yung weather. So, we'll hope that today is a good day for all of us. So, mag-breakfast muna kami and then I'll get back to you later. Ito yung hallway namin sa 6th floor. So, yung buffet breakfast is usually nasa ground floor naman yan. Ayan. Okay. Yan yung outfitan natin ngayon, guys. Mahilig lang ako sa black talaga. Ayoko na mag-isip. Ayan. 633. Balik muna kami sa room kasi may time pa naman. 8:30 pa yung alis namin. Wala pang 30 minutes akong kumain. Sanay na sanay ako ganyan kumain talaga. Mabilis. 15 minutes lang yata. Kahit muna kami. See you later. Nandito na tayo sa hotel room. So, share ko lang yung mga pupuntahan namin today ay Nanjing Road Walkway. Yung shopping area doon na hindi naman kami magsa-shopping kundi maglalakad at tingin-tingin lang. And then, pupunta kami ng Guangfulin Side Park. Tapos, ito, laging kasama to sa tour yung tea shop na hopefully hindi tayo magpabudol. And then, we're going to Shanghai Oriental Pearl Tower and the Bund. At pupunta rin kami ng City God Temple. And then, one more mandatory na, compulsory na medicine shop shopping. So, by the way pala guys, share ko lang yung experience kagabi dahil maaga kaming nakauwi. Hindi sobrang pagod na pagod. Alam mo yon yung parang iintayin mo na lang na gisingin ka ng mga kasama mo. Hindi ka magising dahil sa sobrang pagod. Hindi kami pagod na pagod yesterday. Siguro dahil umulan, kapag pahinga kami ng maaga. Tapos yung food, sakto lang yung food dito for a 4-star hotel. Yung room, wala akong room tour kasi hindi ko masyadong bet. Pero okay naman. Komportable naman dito sa room na to. Sobrang dami lang kalat guys at hindi ko kayo ma-room tour. Ano pa ba? Yun, sa mga, hindi ako talaga, hindi ako magastos pag nagta-travel. Yung iba nagtatanong, kailangan ba sobrang dami mong pera pag nag-travel ka? Well, kailangan may pera. Of course, hindi naman pwedeng wala, But in my case, kasi mahilig ako maghanap ng mga travel promo package. Kaya, kumbaga nababudget ko siya ahead of time. Pang 14th yata na country ko na to na napuntahan. Karamihan doon DIY lang. Well, pag matagal ko nang nabook yung ticket, yung plane ticket, kaya ko siyang i-DIY kasi may time ako para maghanap pa ng mga hotel. Kasi pag naka-promo package ka, you're paying for 2 persons eh. But when you book it yourself, ano lang, you can book for 1 room per night, per how many nights you're staying in that country. Ito kasi you're paying for 2 persons or 3 persons in the room eh. So let's say, ang room charge per night is 5,000. So you're paying, I think that's how it works ha. Yan, mamaya lalabas kami, like what I've said, pupunta kami sa mga places na yon. Try ko i-share ulit sa inyo. Medyo nahihirapan ako mag-vlog kasi hindi nga ako madaldal. Siguro for how many years that I've been traveling, nakasama ko lang, minsan ako lang, tapos yung anak ko, mga pamangkin ko, wala akong nakakausap, 'di ba? Sanay na ako na hindi nagkukwento ng buhay ko, saka yung mga pinupuntahan ko. Pero ngayon, parang I decided nga to document my travel, not to gain, to reach a certain number of viewers naman, hindi naman yun yung purpose talaga. But I just want to keep some memories kasi dapat naman talaga na naalala mo, after 5 years yung mga pinupuntahan mo. In my case, kasi ang dami ko nang napuntahan, tapos hindi ko masyadong na-document. Sayang pala, kung 2019, 2020, ang dami ko nang na-share sa inyo ng mga napuntahan ko. But anyways, we'll try to share with you a lot of my experiences, yung mga travel ko. Try natin, kung blessed pa tayo makatravel ng maraming lugar, why not, diba? Share natin sa inyo. So, yun, mag-rest lang kami ng konti. We have to be at the lobby in 15 minutes. That's 8:30 because we're going out. Naka-group kami. We're under, I think we're only 28 packs, pero naka-bus kami group tour. Pag naka-group tour kasi, group visa din kayo, so hindi kayo dapat maghiwa-hiwalay. So, ayun, 8:30 kami. Meron kaming bagong tour guide today. So, see you later.
It's heater. And also because Chinese people don't like to cold in the room. Coldness is very hard for it's very harm for our body. So in China now, many families they already use heater. So when we turn on the air condition, you will feel the room become very warm. So that means a small town nearby China is the ocean. So last time, thousands of years, generation by generation, people lived here depend on the sea. Most of them they were fishermen, but they suffered a lot. Why? Because every year, typhoon came here, tidal wave, destroyed their farmland, and a lot of the flood. So people, they lived very tight, they suffered a lot. And then once a day, there was a feng shui master came here. Do you believe Chinese feng shui? The master said you should invite the most brave guy to be your city god. He should be powerful enough to...
Papunta kami ng City God Temple with the group. Ay, nakaka-happy yung mga gantong klaseng tindahan. White Rabbit. Guys, tumatawag yung boss ko habang naglalakad ako ngayon. So, pasensya na talagang pag naglalakad ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kukwento ko sa inyo. Enjoy nyo na lang yung view. Yan. Okay, so it's tourist souvenir shop. Bili lang kami ng konting pasalubong dito. How much is that?
30元。
That one, that one. Oh, anong sinabi mo, Marian Rivera? Oh. Wow. Alam mo na, we're in China. Tumingin pa ako dito sa souvenir shop sa mga eskinita. Yan. Parang gusto kong bumili nito, pero no. Sayang. Ayun, so cute. Yan. Wow. Wow, wait. Daming white rabbit. Wait lang, ang cute, ang sarap bilhin lahat. Wait lang. Wait lang, huwag mo pigilan. Uy, ang dami. Wait lang. Ayan o, mga pangkamot sa likod. Wait, wow. I will buy, one for teacher. For teacher may will buy. Wait. Wait. No, you will not buy something from Disneyland. It's so expensive. Wait. Wait. Sinipigilan ako, guys. Ayaw akong pabilihin. Wait lang. No. Wait. Yeah, one. Guys, ito, wait. Yan yung view sa labas ng temple. Hindi na ako papasok dyan kasi nakita ko na yung loob from afar. Yan. Tapos sa gilid ng temple ay maraming souvenir shops. Pinuntahan namin yung isa kanina. Tapos diretsuhin mo lang, puro souvenir shops din. Hindi na ako pupunta dyan dahil wala naman tayo maraming bibilin. Hihintay lang ako ngayon dito in 30 minutes. Narating na yung mga kasama na. Ang takas ng sikat ng araw, pero malamig siya. Hindi man tayo nagkamali ng outfit natin today. So it's now 10:30 yan. 10:30. Alis kami dito sa City Guard Temple na 11. Hintay lang tayo dito.
Company, they have some business with the Philippine travel agency, so they can, exchange. That's why. But the red is from our company, so sometimes go up, sometimes going down. But China today become the most safety country of the whole world. We still need to take good care of our self-belongings. It doesn't mean today no pickpocket, right? Every main street, every corner, you can see the several cities. If available, you should go. So the first one that is, if you want to know 2,000 years history in China, let's go to Xi'an. If you want to know 500 years history in China, let's go to Beijing. If you want to know 200 years history in China, let's go to Shanghai.
At the band area.
Chị ơi, chị phải cắt dòng này của em đi nhá.
Ako ng ATM kasi yung Alipay nagloloko sa akin eh. Dapat pala kahit pa paano may dala kang cash, so mag-withdraw lang ako ng konti. So try natin to. Gusto ko yan mag-try eh, although meron na rin sa atin.
Pasok ka ha?
So, hindi ko na kayo na-update kanina. Galing kami sa compulsory medicine shop. So, syempre, dahil ang mga Chinese, kilala sa magaling na gamot, nag-try silang tingnan yung condition ng mga katawan natin. At syempre, nagpabudol tayo. Hindi naman. Budol is just the term. Pero, na-appreciate naman natin yung gamot ng mga Chinese. Kaya bumili po tayo. Okay, so update na lang po namin kayo later ulit. Guys, just an update. We're here at the Nanjing Road again for the night sightseeing. So, check namin yung Pop Mart dito. Yan. Update ko kayo ulit later. Okay, let's go, ma. Daming tao. So, ito yung parang BGC sa atin. Pero, mas maraming tao dito, of course. Maraming stores. Miniso muna tayo. No, Miniso. Dalawa ka.
左手边的丁可专区，右手边米花龙花两件标签哦，拉米条黑马油要好。
Sikat na sikat kasi. Grabe naman tao. Dami ng tao dito sa ano. Pop Mart. Hello, just an update. We're still here dito sa Nanjing Road. At good news, wala pa tayong nabibili. Hindi po tayo nagpadala. Dahil hindi tayo nagdala ng pera. So, maglalakad-lakad pa kami dito and siguro magdi-dinner na ng 7:30 and then magku-cruise kami dun sa Huangpu River. So, siguro later ko na kayo ulit ma-update. Wow!
Thank you for your cooperation. 游客请留意 Do not run. Thank you for your cooperation. 游客你好，现在有请好扶手。
Kumapit kayo kasi baka mabilis. Wow.
Mom, I love you more than words can say. You're the best part of my day. Thank you for everything you do. I'm so grateful to have you. Got out of bed
Guys, kamusta naman? Pagod na tayo.